first ride in a suitcase. Whoa! Wave to the camera.
Show him the baby.
Yeah, I like to ride in the suitcase. Here, you want to see the baby? Can you see the baby?
Not really.
No.
No, you can't? Okay.
You can't.
No, you can't.
Get the brush, there you go. It's a single.
There's the boy in the suitcase. Just riding around, vroom vroom, riding around in the suitcase. Whoa! You guys are zooming. Okay. Time to finish packing. Do you just want to ride to Grammy's like that?
Grammy.
Grammy, you want to ride to Grammy's like that? We'll just stick you in the trunk.
Ride it.
Ride
Sorry,
it!
my bad.
Here, let's see if we can see the baby.
Baby. No.
Does he see him?
Beam.
Who is that guy?
You can't see.
Baby. I'll buy it.
You gonna ride it? Where are you? There you are.
Baby.
Baby Caleb. Who is that guy? Can you say Caleb? Oh. Does that baby have eyes? Does that baby have teeth?
Baby.
He's right there.
Roger.
Right there he is. That's the baby.
Baby.
Baby Caleb.
Baby Jaden.
Not baby Caitlin, baby Caleb.
We'll see baby Caitlin later.
Baby Jaden.
Baby Caleb.
Jaden. Paul.
Here, Mama will take it back, okay?
No chocolate milk.
No chocolate milk?
Baby.
You can turn it all the way down.
Huh?
Turn that.
No, hold on. Okay, Mommy will put it up now. Say bye. Say later, Tater. See ya.
Camera.
Camera. That's right, that's a camera. Say bye to the camera.
Turn it so you can say bye to the baby. I bet you if you say bye to the baby will wave back.
Say
Bye.
Say bye, baby.
See ya. See ya.
Baby.
There's a blanket, huh?
Like it.
Ride it. Okay, say bye.
Camera.
I'm not even straight, am I?
Camera.
Mommy wasn't even straight, was she? Mommy's not the best video.